Hi guys, this is Debbie with Debbie J's Crafting Corner. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can calibrate your scan and cut SDX machine. Now, if you've been using it for a little while, you've probably noticed that it doesn't always cut quite as close to the line as you would like, and that means that you just need to recalibrate it. The machine that I have is the SDX 125, and to get to the part to do the recalibration, you need to go into these preferences, that's that little gear, and go down to scanning and cutting position alignment. After that, you're going to need to put your paper into the machine. Now what it wants is it wants white cardstock, and it's going to reinsert it into your scan and cut machine. Now the mat that I'm using right now is one that I had restuck my mat by gluing another mat on top, and this thing is extremely sticky. I did do the calibration using a different one of my mats that I've kind of customized for a different purpose, so you might want to make sure that you are calibrating it for the mat that you're wanting to use, in case you've done any of the hacks like what I've shown in previous video. So I am right now feeding that mat into my machine so that it can scan this blank piece of white cardstock. On the left hand side of the machine there is a little lever, and you need to make sure that is in position 1, and then now that everything is set up you can go ahead and hit start, and the machine will go ahead and scan in your cardstock. Next it's going to cut some little lines on there and then rescan it so that it can see where the cut is. The screen that comes up shows an image of the cut part, and it tells you where it thinks the center of that spot is. So you need to decide, is that correct? If it's not close enough, go ahead and hit no and just let it run through again. If it is, then you can go forward and see about maybe testing the machine and seeing if it actually made the calibration better for you. I decided to do a quick test, so I just drew a circle onto that same white cardstock, and I'm going to have the machine cut that out for me. First I'm having it do a direct cut, and it is scanning and recognizing my image. Next I'm going to frame the image. What you do is you pull those little arrows down so that it brings that box as close as you can around the image that you want it to cut out. It looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and tell it to cut that out. Now, to be honest, I probably would have gone back in and had it do the calibration again because I didn't feel that it was quite close enough, but I had a project that I need to get done. If you want to learn more about how you can use your scan and cut machine, check out this playlist here, or check out this other video where I show one of the cards that I use my scan and cut to create. Thank you guys for dropping in. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. And remember, if I can make it, you can too. Have a great day.